Rahan here, and it's about time that I made another upload. Today, we're going to be making custard. Stop that! That's not how you make custard, you stupid idiots! You need milk, you need flour, and you need eggs. And oftentimes you'll want glucose or some other sugar as well. I'll be using white sugar. Now, while you can really use any kind of starch you want for your custard, in my case I'm going to be using seed tapioca pearls, or sago, because you can get yourself a nice quick custard here, as you can boil it with the milk and the sugar, but you'll have to add the eggs later. With seed tapioca, what you want to be doing is boiling it gently, because you don't want to burn it. Tapioca burns easily. You also want to be sure you stir every so often, or else, you guessed it, your tapioca will burn. And with our tapioca starch cooked here, we're just about ready to strain it. Now that I have strained the cooked tapioca, I've added the eggs into the extract and am whisking them together quickly. In a moment, I'll add more hotter tapioca extract and watch as the custard cooks while I beat it. Finally, the moment you've all been waiting for. And now we whisk it all together. Hello custard, goodbye store-bought. Hello homemade. Just cook your final mixture while stirring it vigorously a little while longer, and eventually you'll end up with some tasty sweet custard. Authentic custard that you could never get out of the faucet of a high-tech house in the middle of a surreal landscape.
My sentiments exactly.